Hi everyone, my name is Pete Strutton. I'm from the Institute for Marine and Antarctic Studies at the University of Tasmania. Today I'm answering this question: would it be ethical or effective to farm phytoplankton? And the question's from Peregrine School. Thanks very much. So there's a couple ways to interpret this question, but perhaps one is, would it be a good idea to farm phytoplankton to use in some sort of product like maybe aquaculture feed or converting into biofuels? And I think the answer is that it wouldn't be effective to do that. The research that I'm aware of that has tried this has shown that while there are some phytoplankton that are rich in oils that could be made into biofuels, the cost of producing them doesn't make them cost-effective fuel. So I think that kind of work has reached its end point. But another way to interpret this question is around enhancing phytoplankton growth to help with climate change. And this has been an active area of research since about the 1990s, and I've participated in one voyage in the Southern Ocean where we tested this. The idea is that you take a ship out and you fertilize the ocean with a nutrient that's missing, and in most cases it's iron. That stimulates a phytoplankton bloom which takes CO2 out of the atmosphere, and when that bloom dies and decomposes, it takes that carbon into the deep ocean, and this padlock here is supposed to indicate that it's locked away from the atmosphere for hopefully hundreds to thousands of years. Yes, this is a potential way to take CO2 out of the atmosphere and help the current climate problem, but there are questions about how much is actually stored and other impacts in other places of the ocean. So it's an area where there's probably still further work to go. This probably has sort of one last chance to help try and make it work, and that's an area of research that we're actively pursuing at IMAS at UTAS, and hope to do some further work on this in the next few years. Thanks again for a great question.